Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have a special guest, RJ, and this is my great nephew. He's 5 years old, and we're going to get his perspective about my hair because he's never really quite seen hair like this. He's not from here, and he's only seen me a few times in his life. You know, he's much younger. Seen me, last year probably one time, but I probably had my hair covered or whatever. So we're just doing something a little fun today and getting his perspective on my FreeForm Natty dreadlocks. Okay, so RJ, have you been in Texas? Do you see a lot of people with hair like this?
No.
What do you think about my hair?
That when it grows longer, you're gonna trip over it.
You gotta look into the camera though. That when it gets long, is it too long now?
No, but when you start combing it and watching,
I don't comb it.
When you start watching it and when you start getting older, it's gonna start getting longer.
So you think I don't wash my hair now?
Yeah, because it may be dry, wet, or maybe it won't. It'll just have air in it.
It'll have air in it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what does it feel like to you? Touch it. What does my hair feel like to you when you touch it?
Feels like dry, squished Play-Doh.
He says my hair feels like dry, squished Play-Doh. Okay. Do you like the hair? Do you like the style?
Yeah.
Would you wear your hair like this?
No.
Why not?
Because when I grow up, it'll get longer and then I'll trip over it.
That's all you worried about is tripping over it? What about like all the gray hair? Is the gray hair cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like the little accessories and beads and stuff like that? Or would you, like when you get older, do you think that you would see yourself like possibly, I know this is a long stretch, but would you date a girl who had hair like this?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm afraid if I went to a dance, I would accidentally step on her hair and then she would trip.
Okay. So what if her hair wasn't this long, but it was like maybe like up to here? Would that be okay if it wasn't so long and so? Well, basically you're worried about tripping over the hair. But so what if it wasn't so long? Would it be cool?
Yeah.
Or would you like somebody with straighter hair?
Straighter hair.
Why is that?
Because it won't have to be like curly and it won't have to be long.
Okay, so the main issue that you have like with my hair is the fact that it's long. But I'm saying it doesn't have to be this long. Some people don't wear their hair this long. Some people, cut their hair, even though I don't. But some people cut their hair. So do you think that I wash my hair?
No.
But I do every week in the summertime. Every week. How often do you wash your hair?
I never wash it.
You never wash your hair, but I wash mine. So that's funny that you think that I don't wash my hair. What made you think that I didn't wash my hair?
Because if you washed your hair, all your products that you put in there would just fall out.
I don't have products in my hair. You just felt my hair. You didn't feel anything in my hair.
Yeah, but I felt something like squishy.
Because my hair is thick. That's why it feels squishy, because it's very thick. That's the density of my hair. That's the thickness of my hair. That's what you feel. You don't feel any products in my hair. You already said it felt like dry Play-Doh.
Yeah.
So I don't have products in my hair. I don't use products.
Then what do you use to make your hair long?
I keep it water rinsed and I take care of it, and I don't keep my hands in it. I don't play with it. I just let it grow.
Until it gets long?
Well, that wasn't the whole purpose of me actually starting my journey 16 years ago. I wasn't concerned about how long it was going to get. It was it was more of just a change for me. You know, I changed. I evolved into this pretty much. I was a hairstylist for some years, and I had every hairstyle there was, and then just my thing always was this was something I wanted to do. It's just it took me, you know, a few years after I stopped doing hair to go ahead and let my hair just grow out naturally. This is called natural hair. Do you understand what natural hair is?
Yes.
That means that it doesn't have any chemicals in it, no relaxers, no anything. Like your mom has straight hair, right? With probably curls and stuff in it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, mine is just natural. I don't do anything. My hair is in this natural state. This is how our hair is. You used to have your father used to use a sponge on your head. Do you remember when you used to have the little things that used to stick up?
Yeah.
And even now your hair it could pretty much start locking if you just didn't do anything but kept it, you know, cleansed or water rinsed or whatever your father wants to do to your hair. So, is there anything else you would like to talk about my hair?
No.
Why not?
Because I was afraid it would be like not anything that that would be crazy because maybe it would be something like the hair is so long that maybe one day you just put it around you and then maybe you and then you feel and it start itching your back.
Oh, okay. So I see that your main interest in my hair is the fact that it's so long.
Yeah, because when I get my hair cuts on the back it starts itching my back. So that's why I said it.
Oh, my hair it doesn't itch. It doesn't scratch my back or anything like that. And I don't know. I always have on a shirt or I wear my hair put up in a cap. Remember when you see me in a cap yesterday?
Yeah.
Because it was hot. It was super hot like it is today.
Yeah.
And I just took it down for the video. And because I'm about to actually go water rinse my hair.
Yes.
And probably do an ACV rinse.
Mhm.
So, do you have any other thoughts about do you know what they're called?
No.
They're called Natty Dreadlocks. Mine are called FreeForm Natty Dreadlocks. Have you heard of dreadlocks before?
No.
Never? And nobody in your school has hair like this?
No.
Not one person?
Some people actually just have their hair up, and some people have their hair just like down to right here.
Oh, okay. All right. I just wanted to see what your point of view as a 5-year-old, what you really thought about your auntie's hair. Why are you looking at me like that?
I was looking at these.
Oh, you was looking at my beads. What do you think about my beads?
They look pretty.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
And one of them look like a coconut right here.
Oh, okay. So that's what you like the most about my hair is seeing just like the little um accessories and stuff that I have on it.
Yeah. Kind of looks like a human.
Looks like a human.
Yeah, because there's two right here, right there.
Oh, so that look like arms and legs and all that.
Yeah, and it looks like he's holding something.
Oh, that's different. I never thought about that. See, a child will always come with something you don't even think about because I never thought that the placement of my beads looked like um,
A human.
a human. So, what is going to be your next hairstyle? Would you are you going to get a haircut, or what do you think you want to do with your hair for when you go back to Texas when you go back to school?
I'm gonna shave it to right here and right there.
You're gonna okay. And what are you gonna do with the top? I see you have color in your hair. You have a little bit of color on top.
I'm just gonna shave half of this area and half of this area right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to close to right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna start buzzing on me.
Do you think my hair is hot?
No.
It doesn't look like it makes me hot?
No, but I feel like when you just go outside, it's gonna start burning.
It's gonna burn?
Yeah. If you stay outside too long, it will.
My hair will burn? Why would my hair burn?
Because it's so dry that the sun will just. Because.
But your hair is dry too. Until you wet it, it's dry, right?
Yeah, but when I keep it in the sun, sometimes, and I'm outside for a little bit, it doesn't really do much.
But your hair is just as dry as my hair is, as far as my hair not being wet right now.
Yeah, because when I go outside, I'm not out there for a pretty long time.
Me either.
So that's why sometimes I really just keep my hair right like this, and then until it just grows, I'll start cutting it.
Oh, okay. All right. I just wanted your perspective and to see what you thought, just to get a child's honest opinion about my hair. And of course, as you all can see, this definitely was not rehearsed because he said my hair was super dry, like Play-Doh. Wow, that was funny. Play-Doh is not real dry though. Play-Doh is kind of moist though, isn't it? Isn't it kind of soft and squishy?
Yeah, but when you leave it in the sun too long, or you just not play with it, it'll get dry and then it'll hurt you. Because if you try to squish it, it won't squish or you just break it.
So is my hair squishy?
Yeah.
So it's not dry like the kind of Play-Doh that's dried out, right?
Yeah.
No, I'm asking you. I'm not telling you. It's not like the Play-Doh that you left the top open and it just got hard.
Yeah. So it's not like when you leave it open right off the top, it just gets dry and then you can't squish it anymore.
So that's not how my hair is.
No.
It's just squishy like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Squishy like regular Play-Doh.
Wow, my hair is squishy like regular Play-Doh. I have never heard that before. And then too, because I really don't let anybody touch my hair. But it's just interesting to me to find out, you know, what my little great nephew thinks and how a 5-year-old thinks. And because to me, they're so brutally honest. They'll tell you the truth sometimes faster than an adult would. But I'm happy to have him here. He'll be visiting with me for a while. It's been challenging so far, but nothing we can't get through. What have we been having issues with?
Trying to go to sleep and taking naps.
Taking naps and eating.
Yes.
Okay. All right, you all. Like I said, this was just something different, just a little fun, just to see, you know, a child's perspective about my hair. Nothing too intricate or anything, just a child's true view about my FreeForm Natty Dreadlocks. Please be sure to check out my playlist. I have a million videos already about a whole bunch of different things. If you would like to leave a message in the comment section about some of the things that RJ had to say, sit up, RJ, so they can see you, about some of the things that RJ had to say, or, you know, if you have any comments, period, please leave them down below. Thumbs up the video. If you have any questions or so, you can comment down below. What else, RJ? What else should they do?
They should give this a big thumbs up so we could get extra money.
Oh, is that what happens?
Yeah.
You know about YouTube? How do you know about YouTube?
Because
Now, this I didn't know.
Because I go on YouTube all the time.
Oh, but how did you know about the thumbs up and money and all of that?
Because they tell us that.
They tell you that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, you watch YouTube videos with people making videos?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I really didn't know that.
So that's why you should thumbs up it.
Okay, you guys. I'll be coming back. Oh, as far as the live chat on Sunday, I think I'm going to go ahead and just try it one more time. I might do it at another time. I might do it at 2 o'clock instead of 4 o'clock for the live chat. I'm still working on the Google Hangouts, but as you can see, I have a 5-year-old and a 12-year-old to take care of right now. So that's why I haven't really put out any content this week, and I just wanted to say hey Welcome to my channel again. If you're a new subscriber, make sure, or if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. As he said, what?
Thumbs up the video.
Thumbs up the video. Leave a comment where?
Down below.
All right. All righty then. Give me a hug. I love you.
I love you too.
All right. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings, everyone.
Bye-bye. And make sure to comment down below and thumbs up.
All right. Peace and love.
Bye-bye, everybody.